us in the Petmobile today. It's Telepup! Let's continue our treasure hunt. Yeah, woohoo! Yeah!
Sure thing, partner.
It says we'll find the next clue by an umbrella, but it's not an umbrella for the rain. I know! A sun umbrella at the beach! Why didn't I think of that? We need to go to the beach! Telepup, can you take us there, please? Thanks, Telepup. Now, where's a sun umbrella? Look!
Yee-haw!
You found it, Jordie! Let's get it! The final clue! Awesome! Telepup, please take us to the stripy towel. Here's the beach towel. The treasure must be buried here. Start digging, please, Morphle.
Morphle, morph, morph! Yee-too-doo!
Whoa! Awesome! You did it! Whew. Great work, Morphle. This has been the best treasure hunt ever, and we couldn't have done it without you, Telepup.
Yay!